Why are we seeing increasing trends of security threats for operational technology systems? And for our audience, if you can briefly explain what is the difference between operational technology systems and traditional IT systems?
Yeah, great question. So if you think about traditional IT systems, they're in the offices that where we are. People come into the office every day. We have information technology networks. When you think of OT or operational technology, think of factory floors, think of oil and gas, utilities, mining, and so on and so forth environments. Now, if you think about traditionally, majority of these environments were closed. They were not connected to the outside world. Most of them are built on legacy system architectures, flat layer 2 networks. But as you've seen, more and more of these environments are now getting connected, right? Digitization offers an amazing opportunity. It gives these environments access to things that they didn't have before, allows them to be more efficient, run their operations simpler. It allows somebody to remotely connect to these factory floors and systems and machines, which they don't have to come into the factory floor always, able to troubleshoot or remediate things from remotely. So all this has gotten a lot of efficiency, right? But it comes with a lot of cybersecurity risks, because now these environments that were traditionally air gap for the most part or very lightly connected are now connected to the outside world. The second trend that we are seeing also happening is that IT networks and OT networks traditionally were owned by different organizations, had disparate rules and policies, and some interconnections now. Now you're seeing more and more IT and OT systems come closer and closer together. We're seeing in many cases the IT and OT environments are getting managed by one person at the top. And as these environments get merged, the best practices that you had on the IT side in terms of least privilege access, preventing all these threats, need to percolate all the way on the OT side as well to ensure that you get a zero trust OT architecture where you have least privilege access, you have real-time security, continuous inspection of traffic, and getting all the benefits that you can get from an end-to-end secure architecture without compromising the user experience, without compromising the downtime. Because as you know, for the OT environments, operational uptime is the most important thing. The factory flow goes down, it's loss of revenue, right? So you want to have all the benefits of having this digitization and connected environments, not at the expense of security. So security should be thought from the get-go, and it cannot be an afterthought.